Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen, Your Way. Today we're going to be making chicken cutlets, so let's get to it. So here are my ingredients. I have 2 eggs. I have a little bit of chicken stock, some salt, and some yellow mustard. I also have some panko breadcrumbs with some Parmesan cheese mixed into it. First, I'm going to put in my chicken stock with my eggs. And then I'm going to add yellow mustard. I prefer Dijon mustard, but I don't have any. And then, next step, I'm going to throw in a pinch of salt. I'm going to give that a good mix. Next part is my chicken breast that I'm going to slice into 2 each. I'm going to take them and pound them out one by one until they're about 1/2 to a 1/4 inch. Here are my chicken that are pounded. I'm going to lightly season them with salt and pepper on both sides. Next step, I'm going to take each chicken part. I'm going to put them in my egg mixture and then into my breadcrumb with Parmesan cheese. I'm going to push them down into the breadcrumbs so they're all well coated. Next step, I have a pan here with the bottom that's covered in oil, and I'm going to put in my chicken. I'm going to let the chicken cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Or until it's golden brown like this. Once it's golden brown, I flip them over and let them cook on the other side for 3 to 5 minutes. Once they're all done, I put them on paper towels to drain. And this is what it looks like when I'm all done, guys. Enjoy with your favorite pasta or some rice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.